How to check old posts on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and you'll find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, simply scroll down in here till you find Activity Log. Click on Activity Log. Then simply click on your Facebook activity, which is the first option. And at the bottom, you will find all these options. Click on Manage Post. In Manage Post, you will find all your old posts in here. You can also click on Filters at the top, which is below Archive. Simply click on Filters and at the bottom, click on Date. You can also select any date you want to see post of, press on OK, and then press on Done. In here, of the specific date, you will find your post. This is how to check all posts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.